I ran into Virginia and I'm gonna hop in her Uber with her. Yeah, what a day.
Ladies and gentlemen of the stage, call is half hour and the house is open.
Hola, what's going on, guys? The day is one is done. We got one down. I'm heading over just to grab a burger and a shake at this burger and taps place and then head back to the show. So I got like an hour-ish before I really gotta be making my way back to work for one more. Today we say goodbye to two people at the Cabaret. We're saying goodbye to Aaron, our company manager, and Phil, our drummer. They're out of here for the, and then we're bringing Nobody as the assistant company manager, and our other drummer, Taurus, is coming back. Aw, snap, there's a storm brewing. There's a storm brewing. Yep. I got my umbrella, so we're ready to rock. Hopefully I don't get wet going back to work. We're going to work. Oh yeah, it's coming down now. Well, I guess I got caught in it. We've all been taking our turns getting caught in it. All you can do is laugh. All you can do is laugh. Caught in a rainstorm. So top up is mostly dry. Complete waist down is soaked. That's a good reason why I wear swimming trunks most every day. Gotta change of clothes. So we're gonna head down. So that wardrobe is going to, they said they would dry my clothes. I really appreciate that. And then I'll have dry clothes. Okay, let's set up. Most everybody is done. I am like the last one to finish because of being soaking wet. Well, mostly soaking wet. So I'm gonna get this set up. Well, what are you gonna do? It's our last one. It's Roadie Friday. This is it. This is our last show tonight. We don't have anything tomorrow. It's wonderful. Yeah. Happy trails to you. You're smiling until then. Happy trails to you until we meet again. That's it, we're out of here. 5 shows down. Today it's golden daytime now. Have a good one. Night. See you on Tuesday. Yes, ma'am. Be safe. You too. Have a good one. Yeah. All of that juju-ness. Everything. I think I beat Sam out. Fogging up. I'm gonna wait for Sam. We're gonna walk back to the hotel, drop our stuff off. I gotta change my shirt and my shoes, and then we're gonna go celebrate Aaron and have a goodbye party for Aaron. I'm fogging up. I'm out of here. Alright, we made it home. It is raining again. Yeah, rain, which is good. It's good for this area to get some water. You can send this water to Southern California or even parts of Texas. I'm gonna freshen up. Gotta freshen up, and then we got a shindig to get to. It's just a block away, so not far, but both Sam and I are wet from walking home, so we're changing. Alright, yep. Question is, should we stay or should we go? The umbrellas are gonna do nothing. They're not gonna really help. Meanwhile,
And then we'll go.
alright, it looks like we're going to have one and we'll be right back and see what happens. Okay.
Patriots one.
It's raining, it's thundering, it's lightning. I'm tired, my eyes. Oh, I've been crying and laughing so hard. And they're putting, this is why I've been laughing.
I'm making an outfit for the rain. Oh, I want to do a bow. Oh yes, let's do a bow. Yeah, right here's for your hood. Okay. Do you want? Oh, you know what? We gotta give you some. You get a little bow. Look at Sam's.
And the final poncho looks like.
Who knew that you were?
Okay, we're off to Erin's goodbye farewell party. Happy trails, Erin. We're coming. We're coming. We're gonna be soaked, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna get there. Well, the problem with that is, okay, I don't think we're gonna make it. I don't.
We're gonna.
That's a lot of water. That's a lot of water, and we're gonna get drenched.
Wait for
like you
Sierra?
can't even see over there. It's coming down. It's coming down.
Hurry!
I'm not
I
going.
wouldn't know what it was on my package.
You're gonna be drenched.
Oh my
like
God,
you're
it's
not.
getting
That's
worse.
gonna do. Yeah. I don't think we're coming, Erin.
Erin, I love you.
I don't think you're coming, Erin.
We love you. Done. Sierra.
Oh, we're doing it. We're doing it. I gotta pay attention. Oh, there's puddles everywhere. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, I gotta turn this off because I don't want to get my camera ruined. So we'll see you there. We're actually gonna go. We're making a run for it. It lightened up. We're making a run for it. We're coming, Erin. We could have this one right here, right?